Beechwood High School with Cam Mack, big game defensively for the Bison and a 45-day win over Cardinal. Just talk a little bit about today's game.
Well, I feel like our defense won us the game pretty much. We shut them out towards the end. We put the JV guys in. We let them get a score, but I'm so upset about that. But I think overall defense played well. We got a lot of turnovers, a lot of tackles. We swung to the ball. Coach wanted to. And the offense played great too. 4 points.
You guys started out with a win over Gilmore, and then you lost 2 heartbreakers back-to-back. How good is it to get back on the winning track?
It feels great. We needed this win a lot to get back on the track. Just take it game by game, one at a time.
You had a big fumble cause for your teammate Jordan Williams on a 70-yard fumble return for a touchdown. Talk through that play.
I made my read. I didn't fill up, and I got blocked at first. I fell off the block. I didn't even know I caused a fumble until I heard everybody like cheering and everything. So caused a fumble, and I just see him running down the field. I was like, let's go.
All right, man. Good luck to you. Thanks.
All right, thanks.